Well, it's been raining and the canopy works perfect. Bit of paper there left on last night. Bone dry. Not wet at all. Covers all dry. Everything is dry. Perfectly dry all around. No wet going at all. That's dry there with no water's getting in there, and perfectly dry. And it's perfectly dry in the boat. Perfect. No condensation either. That's good, so it's got a good airing. Yep. That works. Better than the last one. It's just keeping everything moist in here now and nice and concentrated, so there's no condensation everywhere. There's a little bit on the ceiling. Very little, but not a lot. That's good, yeah. A little bit of condensation on there. We can get that anyway. Just condensation, that's all it is. Yeah, but anyway, it does the job. Keeps the boat dry. That's what I wanted. This is never sleeping area now, this. Like a little tent area now in here. So if I wanted to sleep out during the summer, I can. Perfect. I'll be never, you know, never bed on top of the aft cabin. And everybody sees the aft cabin. I'm not sure if everybody's seen it, but there you go. That's the aft cabin and the head there. Toilet, I pretty don't know what a head is. There you go. Yeah, so hope you liked the video. Catch you later. Bye.